Have you ever just finished a scrapbook page and realized you found more photos, or your sister called you and said, hey, I have some more photos and you want to add them to your pages? We've all done that. Today I'm going to show you how you can take one extra scrapbook page and add it to an already existing scrapbook page, or as you're making your album or your page, you can add just one more to get those extra photos, the extra decorations, the extra brochure, whatever you have. So using one page, we can double what we already have done. It really is a simple concept. You're going to take your two pages, lay them out just like you would, and you're going to take this one and you're going to take your jeeping and you're going to fold it. If this is how it's going to go, I'm going to fold it under. So I'm going to fold this right along the jeeping line. And you can see how nicely that folds right along there. And then you can either put your tape here or right on here. I am using the max strength. So you know it's max because it's the orange. And I'm gonna go just along this right here. So you're gonna wanna make sure you're going, it's hard to hold it, going along this. You can go the whole length if you need to. It's pretty sticky stuff. All right, you can see that on there. And then I'm gonna do it this way, it's easier for me. You're gonna fold that back up and put that just along the inside of this. So the page is gonna look like it belongs there. Just along that jeeping there. Secure it down. Like I said, that max strength is good stuff. So now it looks like another page, but it's going to open this way. And you can see that that's nice and secure there. And then it has the staples in it. So we're going to very carefully pull those out. So I like to just kind of stick this in and pull one. And then you can normally just wiggle this other one out. If you can't get it out, go ahead and just push your scissors on it. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. So you can see I'm just putting the tip in, holding it down and pulling it gently. Same thing, try to get it out. If you can't, go ahead and use your scissors. You're just trying not to ruin that page. So you've taken the two staples out. And now you have an entire extra page. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to get creative, you can put a window in this to go into the other page. But very simply, you can have an extra page. I love this if I do find extra photos or brochures, and I'm going to show you and give you a good laugh. So this was my album from 2001 to 2016. Or no, sorry, 2002. I've been doing this since 2002. So that is one of my scrapbook pages from a cruise. And you can see it goes up. Now what I want to show you, I'll do it on this one since it's done, is to put this page protector on. Take this one off. To put this one on, you're going to slide it all the way down. So you still can put a page protector on it. So as you put it on this first page, you're going to straighten out this page and pull it all the way down. and then go ahead and slide your page protector on this one. But there you have 3 pages plus another page on the top. So super easy to do, and it's a lot of fun.